Hello everyone, welcome to my channels. So today's lectures is going to be very interesting. Why? Because here this is a right triangles. I'm going to find out the area of these right triangles. So basically we know that to find out the area of a triangle we are using the formula half into base into height, right? So here base is also unknown and this perpendicular height is also unknown. Only the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse is given to us and the angle of elevation is 15. That is theta is given, right? And this is 90 degree, that's the right triangles. So in order to find out the area of these triangles, so we have to apply our formula, that is half into base into height, but base and height is unknown. So if we wanted to find the base and height, then we have to use the cos theta and sin theta, then we'll get the base and perpendicular. So it will take a long time and it will be a lengthy. But if it is come for a short MCQ type, then I will show you a easy trick so that by applying the trick you can easily find out. This is not exactly trick that I'm going to give you a formula. By applying the formula you can easily find out if it is come in a form of MCQ. The formula is that you have to remember the formula: area is equal to hypotenuse square sine 2 theta by 4. If you are going to apply this formula, then no need to find out the perpendicular and hypotenuse. Directly you will get the answer from there. Let's see. Here the hypotenuse is supplied to us, that is 10. So 10 square into sine 2 theta. Theta is here 15 degree. So I write instead of theta 15 degree divided by 4. Now 10 square, that will give you 100, right? Now sine 2 into 15, that is sine 30 degree. 2 into 15, that is 30 degree divided by 4. So if we cancel it, you will get what you will get? You will get 25, right? 25. And the value of sine 30 is, as you know, that it is half. That means 25 divided by 2, you will get 12.5. And the unit of area is, since it is meter, so meter square. So without finding the perpendicular and base, we can easily find out the area of these triangles. I hope it is very innovative idea for all the students. Thank you for watching.